Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to remove widget on your home screen of your Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is select the widget you want to remove on home screen. And okay guys, so I decide to remove this Chrome search bar. And okay guys, to remove this, you only have to do is press and hold the Chrome search bar or widget you want to remove, and the pop-up are show, and now tap the remove from home, okay, to remove the widget to your home screen. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully removed the widget on your home screen of your Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.